Ever see Leroy one? Up there? And I see how Leroy do his one. I see Leroy, you wasting the cap up. You clap up on this little thing. You should have got the cap up out more, spread out.
Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today I'll be making
Farine and Zaboca.
Yes, according to Mr. Beckett, Farine and Zaboca. The Zaboca is also known as avocado or pear, but locally in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, we call it Zaboca. I am taking my spoon to scoop out the avocado. This recipe is very simple and very delicious. Now, long time ago, my grandmother used to give it to me as a snack. She used to put a little sugar and add a little salt at times, roll them into balls and give them to me as snacks. They are so delicious and I still love them up to today. Also, if you don't want to roll it into the ball, you can use it as a paste and eat it with your favorite meat, whether it's saltfish, fried fish, you name it. After scooping out your Zaboca, you want to mash them with your fork. You can mash it to a smooth paste or chunky paste, that's up to you. But I'm mashing it as a smooth paste. After mashing my Zaboca, I am then going in with my farine. And I know by now you know that the farine comes from the cassava. Some may know it as the yucca or manioc. The cassava goes through several stages before we get the final product, which is the farine. First, you have to scrape it or peel it. Then it is grind, wring, to extract the liquid from the cassava, sift, and bake or parch, which is the final stage as the gentleman was doing at the beginning of the video. To my Zaboca and farine, I would not be adding any salt because I notice in my farine, I can taste a little salt, so that is just enough for me. Also, you can add some salt if your farine is not salted, or you can omit it completely. That's totally up to you. You can also add coconut, a bit of coconut if you wish. And I also know that we sell farine with coconut inside as well. So that will be perfect. Also, don't be afraid to add sugar if you want it on the sweet side, okay? After adding enough farine to get the consistency to form the balls, I then proceed and make the balls.
St. Vincent, my homeland, you gave me no mansion, no gold, no diamond, yet I love you a million for the things that you have to offer. Is more than my heart's desire. Lovely beach, tropical breeze, always there within my reach. I love you, St. Vincent.
Notice I am squeezing the farine and Zaboca before I roll it. That will help to form the ball before you roll it. Yep. And that's about it. Very simple, very healthy, so delicious. I hope you enjoyed the video. Look at that. Perfect. That fine and coarse grains. I love that bits of crunchiness from that farine. That taste of avocado, and this avocado is so sweet. Thank you for watching. Bye.